Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about arc and rectangle commands in Autodesk Inventor. So let us click on Start 2D Sketch icon here, and you will see these three planes, and you can select any one of the planes as usual, like I have explained in my previous videos. So I am going to select XY plane using left mouse button. Okay, now you have the sketcher mode here, and you are seeing all the sketching icons. Now we want to work on arc and rectangular commands. Okay, first I'll explain about rectangle command. Here if you see, there are different options. I'm going to select 2-point option. Okay, rectangle 2-point. So here you have to select first point, any point on the screen, and then if you see, it's showing some dimensions 10 and 5. You can take a round figure 10, and if you press tab, it goes to the second dimension 5. Okay, press enter. So rectangle is created, and you can see that already both the dimensions are given. And like I explained in my previous video, I just want to fix this sketch, because if you click on the side and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse, you can move it, right? So to avoid this, just I want to fully constrain this. So I have selected dimension icon here, this origin and this side. So this gives the X dimension, and again same origin, and this side it gives the Y dimension. So you can see it turned into dark blue color, and now it is fully constrained. If you press escape to exit out of this dimension command, you can see it is not highlighted anymore. So now you hold the left mouse button and try to drag it, it doesn't move. Okay, so if you want, you can make this round figure 3 and 7. And okay, now rectangle is created. Now for example, I want to I'm going to delete this one, or let it be like this. Let us create one more here beside this, a rectangle with 3 points. Just select 1, 2 and third point. So it is created. So it is very simple actually. And here again, this one more option with 2-point and center. Okay, I mean one is center and another one is diagonal point, center and diagonal point. So like this you can explore the other option also, 3-point center option. And there is also slot command. Here if you see, if you click on the slot, so you have to give 2 center points of the slot, first center point, second center point, and then the width of it. For example, let us give 30. So you can see that since we gave the width, it automatically took that dimension, but this one we did not give, so we have to give that dimension 70. So this is the dimension. And to fully constrain it, from origin select the center, cancel this, from this center point to this one like this, and from here to here one, it is fully constrained. Okay, and similarly if you go to slot overall option, it is like this. It gives the total width of the slot and then the width. Earlier it gave the center to center distance and then width of the slot. Here total width, you can see here total width. Sorry, let me show you how it is taking this one. If I click the second point at 100 millimeters and then this width at 30 millimeters, you can see the automatic dimension is created here from outer point of this arc to outer point. So that is 100, and then width is 30. So you can also see that the icons are self-explanatory. You can easily create using those the definition there. And I want to leave other options for you to try, and I want to go to polygon, this one, center point, and then select any other point for the width, and I am selecting this one. I'm just trying to keep it straight. Okay, and if I give this dimension, it will resize. Now I am going to explain arc command. Okay, and we already learned how to draw rectangle. So I selected the rectangle here, and then I am drawing this, and then press escape to exit out of that command. Okay, now I am going to 3-point arc. So I selected that. This is first point, this is second point, and this is third point. You can see that here it is created, and also if you click on this one, it is showing tangency for this one, but here it is not there. Here it is not tangent. So what I do, I'll use a tangency constraint here to make it tangent. Again, I will make a separate video for these constraints, but just I am showing you this one for the time being. So I am clicking this one, selecting this and this side. So tangent is created. If you select that arc, you can see the tangency on both the sides. Okay, now I am using a trim command and selecting this side and this side to delete the extra portion, and you can see the result. There is another option in arc, tangent. So if you go here, it will automatically create a tangent to the line you are selecting. You can see it is tangent to that line, and if you want to keep somewhere here, and this is automatically tangent to the line you have selected. So if you want to close this like this, okay, and I use a trim command to delete this portion. And the last option is center point. You have to select the center of the arc. For example, if you are taking this as a center, or maybe let me take this as a center, and arc, okay, it is created like this, and I'm going to trim this, and you can see here it has intersected with the another arc. So I'm going to trim that. I'm going to trim this small extra portion, and I'm going to trim this as well. So this is the result of that. I'm going to finish the sketcher. I'm using center mouse button to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, and using pressing and holding the center button and dragging the mouse to pan it. So I have explained this in my previous videos. You can go through them if you want to understand about line, circle and other commands. And now I'm going to finish the sketcher. So you can see all the things we created here. I'm going to extrude this one just to show you how it will be in the 3D. I selected the sketch and I'm dragging this arrow, or alternatively you can give the dimension here, for example 500, enter. Okay, to rotate this one you have to use the shift button and center mouse button and move the mouse, so you can rotate it. Now there are some sharp edges. Just if I want to make them round, I use a fillet command. Anyway, I give all those details in 3D video course, but right now I'm just explaining this one just to give you some insight into that. I'm selecting that edge, this one, this one, this one. I'm holding, okay, this one. So I selected all the sharp edges, and here you are seeing radius as 2. I change it to 10. You can see radius is created. Now it is smoothened. But if you go to the model tree here on the left, if you want to increase the radius, you can double click on this fillet and you can change it. For example, let us make it 50 because those small radius were not so much visible. So I increased it. Now you can see the result. That's it. Thank you.